Hi everyone, I'm Ashwold and I'm here to show you how to place basic components in PCB Droid. Within the editor, the components can be found on the left toolbar. The basic components from top to bottom are the through hole, the SMD pad, the track or line as some like to call it, the circle, the rectangle, the polygon, the area, the text and the macros. The macros will be the subject of another tutorial, so let's just talk about the others. To place a component, simply tap on its icon and tap on the board. If you do not raise your finger, you can drag the component around. Note that the crosshair shows you where you are on the board. If you place a second component, it also tells you how far it is from the previously placed one. The through holes, SMD pads, circles and polygons placement is quite similar. You designate the place of their center on the board. The text object is within an invisible text box and you select where its upper left corner should go. With the rectangle, you place one corner and drag the opposite corner around. The track works a bit differently. The start of the track will be where your finger first touches the board, and from there you can drag around the other end. After releasing the screen, you can continue this, adding new points. If you are satisfied, you can tap on the check mark in the upper right part of the screen or tap on any other component's icon to finalize it. Somewhat similar is the area component. It works exactly like a track, but as soon as you connect its two ends, it fills up the shape you have drawn. If you want to change the parameters of a component type, you can do so by long tapping on its icon. These changes will apply to every consequently placed component of that type. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.